The obsession with toasted wraps continues. This time it's my buffalo blue cheese chicken wrap. And I've had this one 300,000 times.
Oh my God, I love blue cheese. That's so nice. Yeah.
First step, you want to chop up your celery and spring onion, which you're going to mix with mayo and buffalo sauce. I've used the sauce shop one and it is banging. Poach your chicken in salted water until it's fully cooked and ready to be shredded. Mix that in with the buffalo dressing, and now it's time to layer up the wrap. Place the chicken, shredded iceberg lettuce, crumble on some blue cheese and get that wrapped up. Get that into a dry frying pan and toast on all sides until it's golden and crispy. Full recipe is in the caption, so save the video and follow for more recipes.